Welcome to the last part of the bus recruitment program. I'll be guiding you through the process, and I wish you guys the best of luck.
This is it, the final challenge that I must overcome. I have to ace this.
We finished the written exam previously, and you two stood out from the rest of the applicants. For the last part of the interview, we'll be going through some scenarios you might encounter at work. Please kindly put on the VR headset.
Round 1.
Excuse me, is this bus heading to the Macau Tower?
Yes.
How about if I go to Amma Temple? Can I still take the bus?
Oh no, you can't. You have so many questions. I suppose the route should already be searched, don't I? Please don't block others' way to board the bus.
Round 2.
Excuse me, sir. Is it okay to pay the bus fare with 100 Patagon note? I don't have any coins.
So as long as you pay more than $6.
But I don't want to waste so much. Can I exchange this 100 note into coins with you?
If this was all you wanted, why wouldn't you go to the currency exchange?
Round 3.
I'm sorry. May I?
What's the matter?
I thought I lost my wallet on the bus. It was still with me when I was on the bus 15 minutes ago. But I could not find it just now, when I was ready to pay for some souvenirs. Have you received a lost wallet?
Oh, no. How could I help you?
Maybe I left it somewhere else. I'll find myself.
Round 1.
Pardon me. Does this bus go to the Macau Tower?
Yeah, we're heading to the Macau Tower. Come on in.
How about if I go to Amma Temple? Can I still take the same route?
In that case, you need to take bus route number 9. But if you want to go to the Amma Temple after your Macau Tower visit, you can take line 18B just in front of Macau Tower.
That sounds great. I'll be taking the bus to the Macau Tower. By the way, how much is the fare?
That'll be 6 patakas. If you're paying with coins, put them in the fare box.
Got it, thanks a million.
Round 2.
Excuse me, sir. Is it okay to pay the bus fare with 100 Patagon note? I don't have any coins.
You may, but you'll be wasting so much money. Do you have any change?
Sorry, I don't have any coins. Could you exchange my banknote with some coins for me?
I'm afraid I couldn't do so, but there might be a better way. Do you have any electronic payments, a Macau Pass or something like that?
No, I don't. Where can I get one?
There's a vending machine near the central bus station that sells Macau Pass. Maybe you can buy one there.
Oh, thank you.
Round 3.
I thought I lost my wallet on the bus. It was still with me when I was on the bus 15 minutes ago. But I could not find it just now, when I tried to pay for some souvenirs. I guess I might have lost it on the bus. Did you see any wallet given to you?
Sadly, we didn't receive any. Please don't panic. Could you recall which route you've been riding on?
I was taking number 5.
Could you describe in detail what your wallet looks like?
It was a blue leather wallet, with the initial of my name CP written on it.
I'll look for a wallet that fits your description. Meanwhile, please contact our customer hotline. Our staff would be happy to help you. Report your request to them and note the license plate number on this bus.
I will report to customer hotline. Thank you.
The final result has come out, and you'll be getting the job.
I spent so much time on this examination. How come I'm not the one getting the job?
The one thing you need is the right attitude towards passengers. This is very important in the transportation industry, not just for bus drivers, but also for taxi drivers, casino bus drivers, and many others. Passenger loyalty should be our main priority.